My name is Soumya. I am from ECEB. Today I am going to tell you about the CMOS technology. Let us begin with what is CMOS technology. CMOS stands for Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. This technology one of the most important technology used in BSNL. In CMOS, we can realize both the P-channel and N-channel MOSFET in three different ways. The first step is if we start out with an N-type substrate, it is compatible with PMOS fabrication process flow. This technology we can call it as P-well technology. And the second type, if we can start out with a P-type substrate, it is compatible with NMOS fabrication process. This technology is called N-well technology. And the last is third type. We can start with a very low doped substrate. This type of technology we will call it as twin technology. NMOS. In NMOS, there is a P-type substrate as the body of MOSFET. There are two heavily doped N regions. They are drain and the source. P-type and N-type are grown on a single silicon wafer. There is a SiO2 layer is between the two N plus regions. The SiO2 is acting as an insulating material. In this NMOS, there are majority carriers or electrons. When a high voltage is applied to the gate, the NMOS will conduct. When the low voltage is applied to the gate, NMOS will not conduct. PMOS. There is an N-type substrate as body of MOSFET. There are two heavily doped P regions. One is drain and another one is source. There is an SiO2 layer is grown between two P regions. In this, majority carriers are holes. When a high level voltage is applied to a gate, the PMOS will not conduct. When a low level voltage is applied to the gate, the PMOS will conduct. A combination of both NMOS and PMOS technology. The basic example for CMOS technology is inverter. This is the CMOS basic circuit. Here we are having VDD supply. We are having pull-up network is made up of P MOSFET. Here there are many inputs connected to the P MOSFET. After that pull-up network, there is a pull-down network. It is made up of N MOSFET. There are many inputs. The pull-down network we will connect with ground. In between pull-up and pull-down network, there is an output Z. Um, we have to know why pull-up network is made up of P MOSFET, because PMOS can pass logic high and NMOS can pass logic low. So pull down network is made up of NMOS. CMOS logic gates. CMOS consists of combinational logic gates with one or more inputs and only one output is there. When we form logic circuits, basically we perform two different operations. One is dot. Dot means AND gate. And another one is plus operation, that means OR operation. And OR logic operations. When you have dot operation, at that the PMOS operation will stay in parallel and the NMOS operation will stay in series. When you perform plus operation, that means OR operation, in that case PMOS will stay in series and the NMOS will stay in parallel. different circuits. Actually, CMOS is used in different chips like microcontroller, microprocessor, and other digital logic circuits. This technology used in a wide range of analog circuits also, in the data converter and also for several kinds of communication. Advantages and disadvantages of CMOS technology. Advantages: low power dissipation, it has high packing density, and it has bidirectional capability. And the other advantage is it is very low cost. It has disadvantages also. There are space limitation and material limitation in CMOS technology. Now we came to the conclusion. Uh, Here, CMOS technology or stack of gate, we can build any logic gate out of switches. We can draw mask to specify layout of the transistor.